Welcome to Tax and Revenue Administration's video for corporate income tax on how to make a payment arrangement using TRACS. You may initiate a payment arrangement if you have an unpaid balance on your account. To begin, go to tracs.finance.gov.ab.ca, select Next on the TRACS availability page, and sign in by entering your My Alberta Digital ID username and password. On your TRACS homepage, select your corporate income tax account. From the Accounts Actions menu, click on Payment Arrangement. On this page, you may view payment arrangements made in the past, and you may also initiate a new payment arrangement. To initiate a new payment arrangement, click on Create Payment Arrangement. You will only see this button if you have an unpaid balance on your account. If you have an unpaid balance and do not see this button, contact Filing Compliance and Collections at the phone number provided on the page. After clicking on Create Payment Arrangement, you will be prompted to review the terms and conditions. You may select Previous to return to the previous page, or review and accept the terms and conditions to continue. Click on the checkbox to accept, and click Next to continue. The calculator page will display your account balance and your payment frequency. The payment frequency is auto-set to monthly. Using the drop-down list, select the number of payments you wish to make. The account balance will be split evenly over the number of payments selected, and this will determine your payment amounts. Then, choose the date of your first payment. Your first payment must be made within 30 days from the date the payment arrangement is created. Click Review and confirm the payment breakdown and the dates of your payments. Note that the payment breakdown does not include interest that may continue to accrue. Ensure your payments cover all accrued interest that has been or will be added to your balance. You can make multiple payments in a month as long as the total payments equal or exceed the scheduled amount and payments are made on or before the scheduled date. Select Previous to make changes or Submit to complete the payment arrangement. The confirmation page will display your reference number and the date the payment arrangement was created. This indicates that you have successfully created a payment arrangement. You may print or save a copy of this page for your records by selecting Printer Friendly. You will receive an email notification that a payment arrangement has been created. You will also receive a payment due reminder email 10 days prior to payment due date. For instructions on how to make a payment, select Payment Options from the top menu. Thank you for watching TRA's video for corporate income tax on how to make a payment arrangement using TRACS.